Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
Gardenia is a symbol of elegance and style. It's a magnificent and highly scented flower. Its fragrance is similar to that of jasmine flower. All gardenias produce waxy creamy white flowers that tend to yellow as they mature. Its foliage is attractive and glossy. It flowers during the summer from May till September. Gardenia can be grown from tip cutting. If you don't have a seed, sow the cutting in a pot, bend a wire around it and cover it with polythene to keep the humidity high. Make small holes in the polythene bag to avoid rotting, but the polythene bag should not touch the leaves. Repot every 2 years in early spring. Trim it in March or April. Gardenia will reach 60 to 90 cm high. Summer temperature should not rise above 24 degrees centigrade. Keep it at 13 degrees centigrade in winter. Never allow the plant to stand in direct sun. Water moderately in summer and winter. Keep the compost evenly moist all the time. Use rainwater or boiled water cooled to room temperature, but never use cold water. Feed once every 2 weeks when the plant is in flower with a diluted standard liquid fertilizer. Keep the plant in a cool place when the cutting has rooted in 4 to 6 weeks. This plant needs extra care and does best in greenhouse or conservatory. Gardenia will live for many years with proper conditions. Use this highly scented flower to grace dining tables, banquet halls and bouquets.
Thanks for watching.